Yeah, it stopped here at 9:38. Yeah, 9:38 a.m. I'll say we identified this magenta as early as 9:38. So if you were able to catch this particular trade here, especially with the, well, there were plenty of precision algorithms. You see a lot of aggressive sellers already right at the start of day. But you can absolutely wait. And you see, I tell you time and time again, if it's truly dumping, you can afford to wait. See, it happened again today. You can't afford to wait. Wait for what? Wait for retest of major levels. In this case, the 5-day moving average. Just take a look how penny perfect it is. And the magenta. Look at the magenta just building liquidity so beautifully right there. And on the break, you see the precision showing itself. So absolutely no reason to risk yourself getting chopped here when you can see a beautiful structure starting to form. Now this was made even more beautiful because you had the pink as resistance and also the blue. So if you're taking puts early at the top of the channels, right, you have to learn to be looking out for resistances to take a put so that your stop losses are tight. And you would therefore have the ability to protect a trade early. This was an absolutely beautiful trade, something you were prepared for too. Because I talked about this in yesterday's video, about this blue algorithm here. Remember, I talked about this blue algorithm, and I said that if the market wants to dump and you see it for yourself, the blue algorithm is what you need to worry about. And we will probably close the cup at that 5-day moving average. You see that happening. We close the cup because this is where the handle is formed, right? This handle is in this magenta once we close the larger cup at the 5-day. Translated in the 30-minute chart where I talked to you about that yesterday's video. Yeah. So this was quite beautiful. Now, the 20-day moving average, though, a little bit harder for you to catch this if you were not well prepared. Now, this is an example of what I was talking about, 952. Now, this happened at 20-day instead of 5-day as I was depicting it here. So at 952, which was quite early on, 952, you must understand this. When you see the pink as the dominant algorithm here, right? Once you